Hey everyone, Trisha here at Rich & Sons. I'm going to take you on a tour of the 391 River Ranch. One unique feature about this particular floor plan is underneath here you see all these baggage doors. It kind of has like a motorhome feel to it. So this is all, I don't know if you can see in there, but literally the whole undercarriage is designated storage. You'll also see that it does have a power cord reel. This is a single story fifth wheel. I'll show you what that means here in just a second when we head inside. So right as we come inside, we have kind of the foyer area. So there's a spot right down here that you can kick off your shoes and put those in there. You've got a nice little key holder here that you can hang up your keys. Over here, you also have a spot for hanging up coats, a bench to take your shoes on and off, and some additional storage for just odds and ends in your foyer area. Also, a nice big window, give you a great view of the campsite. You take a step up, 2 steps right here, and now we're in the camper. Middle kitchen, nice big center island, just open concept kind of feel. You do have the power recliners over there, lots of windows to give you optimal viewing. One really nice thing about the River Ranch is, as you can see, you've got kind of residential style appliances. So you've got 4-burner range up top, really large oven. Most people that are interested in this are people that are going to be taking it and just putting it on like one specific spot or using it to go south because of all the storage capabilities it provides. Coming through here, you have a huge shower. So come in here, you have a bench, you can see just how much room that you have. Coming around, we've got opposing slides in the bedroom. So this is actually a slide out, and then the headboard also slides out. So that's going to provide you with tons of room in here. So you have the ability to change, get dressed, put laundry away. Over here in the closet, you can see that it's full length wardrobe up front. And then right here is where you could put a washer and dryer. One really lovely feature that I love is you do have a fireplace in the bedroom and also in the living room. Good way to save your propane. Just want to keep those running on like a chilly day. We do have a televator along with the Corian countertop. So if you're not a bedroom TV watcher, you just pop that down and you have a great view right there. Okay, guys, I will get you the price of this unit. So MSRP is $131, but with all of the discounts, it brings it all the way down to $96,999. So that is approximately $834 a month. Give us a call or stop in to see this thing in person.